Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Adhay. Once again, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Look at my foundation. It looks so good. If you want to know a little bit more about my foundation and what I'm wearing and why does it look so good, check out my last video because I tried new foundation and this is the outcome of the new foundation. So if you want to know what I did, what I used, then go ahead and check my last video. In today's video, I'm going to try some Kylie Cosmetic lip kits. Let me tell you guys, I have not had the best experience with Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. I've only bought one liquid lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics and that was it. That was the first and last time that I ever bought any liquid lipsticks from Kylie Cosmetics because it sucked. And in today's video, I'm going to try 4 different lip kits from Kylie Cosmetics. Let's see how it goes. Having in mind the experience I've had with Kylie Cosmetic liquid lipstick before, I'm a little scared. I'm a little skeptical. But to be honest, the only reason I've bought these liquid lipsticks were because they were on sale. I believe they were 40 or 50% off. I'm not sure, but I think 50% off. Was like, why not? Let's give it a try. Maybe their formula has gotten better or maybe it hasn't. So if you want to see my thoughts, my opinions, if they have changed or not, then I suggest you to keep on watching. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you press that notification bell in order to get notified every single time I upload a new video. Oh, it's so hot. I'm sweating like a pig. And this foundation is not breaking. The liquid lipstick that I bought from Kylie Cosmetics about 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago or 1 year ago? 2 years ago. It's right here. I have not finished it. I think almost, and that is because I really wanted to make my money's worth. My first and only time I have ever bought a liquid lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics. I just didn't have the good experience everybody was having. Not only that, but it was very pricey. I believe if anything, if they really suck, I have the pencils to back me up. There's nothing negative to say about the lip liners. They are, let's hope they don't suck. Let's hope they've gotten better throughout time. Let's just hope it's a great experience overall. I'm going to start off with the lightest color, which would be Candy K. All right, let's check the lip liner. It's definitely on the pink side. I don't know how I feel about the color, but the lip liner is no surprise. I love how they apply. They apply so smoothly. Let's move on to the liquid lipstick. Let's see. It's way lighter than something I would feel comfortable with. The consistency is thinner than the one that I initially tried 2 years ago. Also, it's not as sticky as the other one because one of the main problems with the other one was how sticky it felt at the end, even though it was matte. Let's go on with the next shade, which would be, let me see, it's going to be Ginger. Hopefully, I like this one better than the other one. Let's go on with the liner. Oh, I love this color, but I don't like the fact that it's all the way in. Do you see that? It's annoying. Let's go on with the lipstick. The lipstick looks darker than the lip liner. It is darker than the lip liner. I don't understand why the liner was lighter than the liquid lipstick, but it is pretty. It is definitely fall vibes. I like it. Not sticky. Good thing. Looks nice. Let's go on with the next one. Take it off. Before we move on to the darker shade, Let's go in with this shade right over here, which I'm the most excited about from all of the four. This one is the one that I'm super excited to try. Handbag Ho. Oh, it is so cute. The packaging is very cute. Let's hope I love the color. Please. I'm liking this shade. Her lip liners are to die for. When I bought her lip liners, I also bought them on sale because I didn't want to run the risk of paying full price and them being whack. So far, the color of the lip liner is stunning. Let's move on. I'm excited. At first, you guys see my face. I don't know how I was feeling about this color. But now that I'm blending it onto the lip liner, I'm kind of liking it. Not bad, but not what I expected. Don't get me wrong, when you blend it, it looks nice. But since it's a matte liquid liner, I keep saying liquid liner. But since it's a matte liquid lipstick, when you do this, it gets tacky, it gets nasty. So, it doesn't work well. I don't know if you guys can see this. That part right there. Because of doing that, blending it. Maybe if I would have blended with my finger, it would have worked out better. I mean, it looks nice. I just don't like the inner part of it. But if I don't open my mouth or talk, it should be fine, right? Like this. Let's go on with the last color and the darkest one out of the four that I purchased. Hollyberry. Please do not disappoint me. Please, please, please. Ooh, look at that color. I don't think I've worn these type of shades often. Lip liner, not defective. Here goes nothing. Ooh, it's intense. It's really intense. Really intense. Let's go on with the wow, the one I thought I wasn't going to like, or it was just gonna be like, okay, I freaking love. Look at this color. It is the perfect winey color, berry color. This color is perfection. Perfection. At least there was one that I really loved. And the one that I thought I was really gonna love, I didn't like at all. The liquid lipstick, because the lip liner was beautiful. So out of the four, I'm going to put them in order from my least favorite to my absolute favorite. My least favorite liquid lipstick was the Handbag Ho, right? Yeah. The Handbag Ho, that was my least favorite liquid lipstick. The lip liner was good. From there, the next one would be Candy K. Then it would be Ginger. That one was at the end. I really was digging the color, even though I didn't understand why the liquid lipstick was darker than the lip liner. And from there, you guys guessed it, my favorite one that I didn't think I was going to be over the top for is the Hollyberry one, right? Hollyberry. This one. I feel it complements my skin color. I feel my lips look nice. I love. So with that, we conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and it was informative or helpful if you were trying to purchase these shades, or if you were here just to watch another makeup video. Thanks for watching. If you like what you're seeing, give this video a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you press that notification bell in order to get notified every single time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.